We just started our hike to Devkund waterfall. We just completed 1 kilometer so far. Just look at the view, look at the trail. It is going to be 6 kilometers trek, so both ways it will be 12 kilometers. So it is going to be challenging. So while on the trail you will see a lot of lakes over here. Going good so far. So after completing 3.5 kilometers, so you will see a bridge and a small lake over here. Look at this trail. I'm so loving this. It's so beautiful. So just a quick update. So we have covered 4 kilometers so far. So we have another 1 kilometer to go. I think, yeah, this is the way. I think this trail gonna be worth it. I think we have made it. So look at the glimpse of the waterfall. So this is the Devkund waterfall in Lonavala.